I look into the mirror, I'm like Demon alone. I won't pass the mic and the phone is not on. When I step on stage, everybody in the crowd goes like Kubani alone. Kubani alone. Kubani alone. Usika putu pateni ibola. I've been. Hey, welcome to another episode of the Neful Podcast Sports Edition. I'm your host, Udumza Tangano Khasu. I'm not alone. Pete Oputi Oma 2000 OPK. Hotman, who's it?
Well, Udumza, I'm Nando Gamakila Sayo. Otherwise, Grand.
Grand Gamakila Tina Lana.
Ah, some booze.
Hello, Becky.
After Unyang, I'm going to booze and hook.
I had
bruh.
Yeah, man.
Nando Buddha.
Yeah, number one. Standard.
Yeah, man.
Standard Buddha. You know, before we start the show,
Sure.
I just want to thank Abantu, you know, who have been subscribing.
Yeah,
also,
man.
We are chasing 7,000 subscribers. When we reach 7,000, kuzokwenzeka ntoni, bra?
Khona yabona wasondela ku December so sothi ngumcimbi. Khona umcimbi so wenza wekhaya. Xa sifike ku 7,000 for sure on our social media pages bayibona abantu ukuba kwenzeka ntoni from Nayfood Podcast on TikTok and Sports Edition on Facebook. Then on YouTube as well, there's a poster there echoyo kokuba sabe senza ntoni once, in fact, when we reach 7,000. But we're close, man. I think we're less than 400 now.
200, ne?
Yeah.
200 and something.
Yeah.
Sendela, se believe toch. Keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on commenting. Kuyo yonke into esizayo kwi-Neful Podcast, the network, not
Yes.
only kwi-Sports Edition.
The network.
Help us to reach 7,000. And ngalamini, it will be the 5th of December. We're aiming for the 5th of December. Sifuna uva amazwi abantu ababiza becula apha. Hey!
Of course.
Yeah, man. What has caught your mind in the world of sports, Chomam?
Well, in the world of sport, yeah, man, there's a lot. First of all, our resident, Nomeva Kolsani Ndongeni, just announced his retirement on boxing after ilosi yake go Oribio. So yeah, it's still going around in Mzansi Afrika. Abantu, they have different opinions ngaye. Abanye besithi hayi kakudala hayi makayeka. So Nomeva finally uthe ubeka phansi. Boxer, you cannot trust the boxer xa isithi ithathe retirement, man. Next year, if uzive fit, he can come back again at manithathe nje just one fight. Then after that, now retire. And also Sivenathi Nontshinga as well, fighting after a year engasalwi. Even though opponent yakhe abantu, they were not so impressed yiyo Sunday because they are like ngumnyolwa.
Yeah,
Umnyolwa. But yeah, Sivenathi Nontshinga have won in the second round of that
4 minutes.
Yeah, man.
Less than 4 minutes, bro.
Yeah.
Nam tendo jonga a record like lamchite, like I think 18 fights, we lose 16.
Yeah.
That yeah. Tatwa my chance.
Yeah, man.
Uchiyo babelweni utyiga wabethe die. No, but I'm talking based on a record like lamchite, you know. How does this boxer in the fight says 18 he loses 16 times? What are you hoping to achieve besides in terms of going up go rankings and win, but
yeah.
What are you expecting to gain the situation anjani?
But ke uSivenathi Nontshinga yakhumbula iopponent yakhe ngelast minute. Yeah, iye yafumana injury. So bekhawuleziswa and abantu base Tanzania they don't waste any time, bro. If you call them uTyiga wabethwa ngumuntu obizwe Thursday kuba kuzolwa on Sunday. Wathiwa jonga yiza nansi fight eSouth Africa yafika ngokuleya ngumnyolo naye yafika yawina. So abantu base Tanzania, I think because of finances
do you think picking up from a conversation that we had with Oprah Ace, who's a promoter, last episode yethu, do you think in terms of also IPS kuvelo kathi ayela jonga bambana kokuncane izolwa fondini man?
Of course.
Omhlambi, is it the same amount ibibekwele lamjita?
No, it can't be. It can't be the same amount. I think the pace as well, yathet. Especially xa unyolwe the last minute.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Are you willing to take this? Or sikhangela omnye umuntu?
Ozayithatha.
Yeah.
Also, you mentioned uXolisana noMeva. Yintoni, like, okay, in terms of his fights, which fight comes to mind on oyithing ba yazi uyayikhumbula? Ani umkhaya wakho manje?
Yeah, ngumkhaya. Jonga i-era kaNomeva endicingayo i-PBL.
Lengazange afumana imali yakhe.
Leyazangafumana imali yakhe. You because I think uqale pha ukuzibonakalisa noMeva. You know, okokuba ngubani na was introducer.
Yeah.
There's a lot of ethethwa ke ngaye, i-technique yakhe, skills zakhe kwi-boxing, but uNomeva is one of the hard work person. Xa sithetha ngomuntu wesport, ngumuntu okwazi ukuyisebenzela into ayifunayo. You know, despite ba mhlawumbe uzothi kwi-technicality, kwi-skills zakhe is not there like abanye abantu, but ukulenda wakuyo because of hard work.
Ne?
Yeah.
I think Jay, I just want the faka mic because the phone
Sine ghost late.
Yeah, cost late.
go on, no ghost late. Okay. So uSunday besilwa, I think le weight division ka Sunday ka Tshikga
Yeah.
umkile kuyo wayakulela ke ngoku ka
Kasive.
Superfly.
Yeah.
Now 47 48 ne.
47, 48, yeah. Should be.
Yeah. So ananoma uhlile noma unyuse iweight na banimazi uTshikga ingxaki ba ukubani yena. Nyuse.
Unyukile, yeah.
Unyuse iweight
Unyukile,
Sunday because
because-
the last match ka Sunday besilwa noTshikga Orion ngalamini zasephaya.
Yes.
Then ke ngoku le match ke ngoku wanantsika ngolo hlobo lakhona. My thing is with this thing xa unoyibuza ba i-match up ibitheni le match up yonyuse ratings le.
Yes.
For ixesha elide bengalo mos unantsika.
Nyaka.
Oh, special one.
Then ke ngoku in order for him for xa kuyiwa ku-negotiations kuthiwe madoda sinalo mntu manikhane mnike i-title shot uzabe kude because ugqibeleke inactive and ke ngoku last match yakhe betheni bewinile
No, why bad?
Bethiwe kulast
Kuphala uze khona i-title yakhe.
yabo
Yeah.
lento ndiyitshoyo ke ngoku so as much as ningakho convinced nina but la win kuye umbeka kwindawo ezawuthi next match or the next coming
Yeah.
two matches
Yeah.
izabe inantsika
So be friendly.
in a way
In a way.
football terms
Yeah.
be friendly match le. Then ezawulandela mhlawumbe ngayi qualifying match
Yeah.
yabo if anyone kule division ono vacant title angatsho angena because last match yakhe uye wawin.
No. It's valid. It's valid. No, there is the reason why Ben Buzu PK. It's sometimes thinking yam is that uzisa iboxer engeyo quality mandibeke ngolo hlobo.
Okay.
Engeyo quality uba mayilwe nomnye umuntu oyiquality which is in terms of uzigauge nawe as a boxer. Yeah, as much as it's doing good for inantsika yakhe.
I-ratings
Ne confidence yakhe is back to winning after unyaka ebengadlali after I lost yakhe. Now he comes back. He fights with someone below his standard. So and then he gets an easy win. Sometimes people do get carried over. The situation isn't jaba. This guy be winning jail. I understand. So ilolo hlobo. Kwelami icala, I think it was Saturday evening. I watched a fight ka Chris Eubank Jr.
Oh,
No Conor Ben.
Yeah.
Conor Ben ne? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ekse well and theatrics. uBen ungene ene ingathi ndibukelela movie ka Nicholas Cannon ithi Drumline.
Sure.
Kudlalwe ezawe but
Yeah. Sure, it's a stage entrance.
Hey bra wangena and then after it was Chris Eubank
Eubank, yeah.
Jonga wangena no 50 cents.
Yeah.
50 wakhatshwa ngo 50 cents, you know, yavuselela lando normally we talk about entertainment in it's sports entertainment.
Yeah, of course,
You know,
yeah.
abantu be entertained, you know, the entrance. As much as for me, I feel like the fight did not live up to expectations. With side like Chris Eubank Jr.,
Sure.
who was the defending title holder, but were better, you know, the points.
And
But
you won the first.
and he won the first one. I think it was in April.
Yeah.
ASB. And I think Lamchitebe man. I think in the weight. In the weight, but there's news into that we still also need to have a conversation with either a trainer in the near future in terms of a boxer in
Yeah.
a weight. Yeah, I understand. Yeah,
But-
ihamba njani?
Yeah.
Why boxers zingabikho ready for a fight? You know, but ulwa ku 30 kg. Just making an example. Ulwa ku 30 kg. A fight uyixelelwe 3-4 months ago. Now, closer to the fight, you still not even close to la weight, Lian.
Weight will always be an issue with boxers. If you remember, Uqhafu, when we had Uqhafu up, one of the factors as amenza kokuba makabethwe ngubham, it's because of your weight.
Okay.
Yeah, so it will always have a factor how you perform on the ring. Weight yakho yabo. But ke it goes back kwi-nutritionist zakho uba utyiswa njani ngabantu abaphetheyo. Of course, Eubank didn't give us what we want,
I
and
was disappointed.
Ben was on top of him.
I was disappointed.
I was on top of him, and it
You-
was a great fight, man. I still believe it will continue again, because that day into enkulu leya
Also,
in UK.
we post fight interview yakhe, he spoke about having personal issues. I understand that he needs to go and deal, because he was asked about, is there a trilogy that's coming? What he firstly needs to focus on the personal issues zakhe ezimhindarishileyo going into the fight. But why is it bangazithethe izinto umuntu before a fight? Because for me, it seems as if you're a bad loser.
Excuser.
It's an excuse, you're a bad loser.
Yeah.
But hayi man, dibethiwe nje bendine problems ezithile kwathini. Yabo, because omnye Brian wathi wabona umakhulu. Yeah, I understand izinto ezinjalo, which I don't get. Yabo.
But it's something eyenzekayo. It's something eyenzekayo. And ke ngoku if i-date seyiphumile, it's very difficult that you are going to say such things in public ukuba you are going to this fight and you have problems, personal issues, because there's a lot of people abajonge kuwe, and it's not about only you, that game, but the community yakho, you know, and they will get disappointed. They will go payana bengena faith ukuba okay, Dumza, you will live up, because in boxing you can win within one round, first round or in the second round. So
Depending.
it depends, yabo. Then ke ngoku after you have lost, then you come up and say, "Ba, anyway, I have this and this."
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hey, and enye into, Arab money in boxing.
There's a lot.
Riyadh season.
yeah, of course. man.
Riyadh season.
Yeah,
They must come to South Africa, man. They must come to South Africa. That Arab money. Because I saw that guy. Which fight was it, Konja?
Canelo
Canelo, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah. Napina nakweka bana sakumbu is heavyweight. Just balekile la fight. But they're investing a lot of money into boxing.
yeah. Arabians, they've taken over, bro, with boxing. You like it or not, but ke ngoku, I think for us as South Africa to be there, I think it goes back to Boxing South Africa. How are they networking and negotiating,
Marketing
with,
the product.
yes, and also the promoters. Zona, what are they thinking about lento yenzeka? Because now if you see zonke matches Saudi Arabia, the big match, if azikhona zenziwa ngabo.
Because ibikola balele Tottenham Hotspur.
Yes, you know how. Yeah, also at the moment, Saudi Arabians, they are taking over with boxing. Good matches cool. It's what it is.
Mabeze. Yeah. like uchilo ba izinto ezibe
Yeah, man.
sizibonileyo,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
Busy food. You've been busy.
Of course.
Ghost lady lo Praga sicele nosixelela xa ibusy.
andizokuphendula awuphendula wathi ghost lady. I just wanna ask okanye one thing I noticed apha eMzantsi when it comes to boxing ingathi abantu abathile yabo
Yeah.
yabona eAmerica ba into epublic ubizwa ipress
Yes.
umaniseke ba abantu babanazo ne face off, not only way in but
Yeah.
kubekho ne face off umaniseke ba hey sport is serious see. That's why benemali pha apha ingathi yenzelwa only for the fans boxing. I-boxing yalapha yenzelwa i-fans boxing qha. Even kwa conversations if asikwazi ba casual conversations siyenze kwi-video andiyazi boxing makodini just because we singena nakwabanye abantu
Exactly.
abangayaziyo kwenzela uba mabayi-understand. So I think the reason why no WrestleMania uzabe pha eSaudi Arabia.
Yeah.
WrestleMania is the biggest when it comes to wrestling uzabe pha. So bayayikrobela isport abantu and isport senza imali. This is why it deteriorate irate yethu. It's hard for us to get someone to a
To
world title short
Yeah.
apha because xa betshekishwa phayana umuntu akana presence akana
Yeah.
social media presence, i-fights zakhe zii-fights ezibostwe nguntoni akukho nix yakhe.
Akho la hype. I think yabona le uyithethayo when aneyine that thing goes into a packaging. Lento esithethayo, like if you want to sell your product out there, you need to package it in a way but it's enticing to anyone watching. Like you look at America, you look at Major League Baseball, you look at NBA, you look at NFL. You understand? Those are three sports.
Boxing.
No, masiyeke boxing. Those are three sports zase America.
Sure.
But they dominate. NFL this past weekend was playing Santiago Bernabeu. Kwela bala le Real Madrid.
Sure.
Yeah.
You understand? You get the NBA going to play France. You understand? They are able to package a product and sell it to abantu abangaphandle. I think nathi apha South Africa, more especially in terms of boxing, packaging boxing so that it's enticing to abantu abafuna ubukela. Let's have these conversations about what's needed to be done, because
Yeah.
like Lenutita, in most boxers today they do not have a presence on social media. They not
They do not,
abanayo. I-hype is a fight. You just see a poster, that's it.
Yeah.
You know, there's no hype about fights that are coming. If face off, you go and do a way in or a press conference in Tanzania City where there's people. You understand? Which one here you face off all those things so that nomtu ongena interest. Abon hey yaba ndiyafuna uyibukela le fight ka PK no Camako.
Yeah.
You understand? Because there's hype around it. You ongelandele, but
That's why ke wayithetha loo nto kunomeva ba I think abekhe wayithetha nangobe lapho ba
Sure.
uyakwazi ukulwa nomntu wakwenye indawo abe supportwa ngabantu balapha eMzantsi
Yeah.
Okay.
because of what they've been able to create
Kwela
kwela image.
Yeah.
Apha waziwa nokwaziwa nabantu balapha bakupaveli kwawena
Because abakwazi.
kwalapha because yenziwe yayinto yabantu abathile.
Bathile. Yeah.
So now and bayayigatekeeper kwabantu bathile.
Exactly.
uthi ungathi kuthiwa siyalo nenza amakodini pha. Okay, yeah.
but if there's anyone who's out there, we're willing to do those things for you.
And just to add on what Nay is saying, ukuba i-boxing ngathi yenzelwe abantu abathile. If you check now the trend in the world, abantu base Saudi Arabia, they have no history in boxing, you know. But now ngabo ngokwababambe i-boxing.
Yeah.
Kwihlabathi, you know. They are able now ukuthi i-match abantu base America, but no mabayolo Saudi Arabia. Yabo. Ngabantu bangayaziyo boxing, but they investor kubantu that they would been there in the public, you know. Abezi nabo nabantu esingabaziyo, you know. Lanto ngokuthi i-boxer, i-promoter, i-manager should advertise i-boxer yayo.
Mna
Babeke
ndithi
phandle.
bekusuppose ba njebe kukho iboxa nje ukipromote masdila nee-technicalities zopromote
Sure.
fight imanage idila nomanage umnantsika
Yeah.
kubekho i-agency
That
le
deals with
izawudila
media.
ne-image nayo
Yeboxer.
yonke into imtrain akwazi uthetha ikwazi umfaka ezintweni ezininzi ingathi bona bayekiwe kule ndawo ye-agents
Yeah,
Ba, zikhangeleleni isponsor ngokweteam
ayikho.
but ingangokuza sikhangela njani isponsor ungena image
ungabonakali and
i-sponsor sithi
ungabonakali.
why sino why sponsor so why funeke ndikunike lento why funeke ndithini uthi mandikunike 50,000 uzawubeka ilogo yami eshotini ulwaka ngaphi ngonyaka
Exactly.
yabo
Ngoba yi-one.
so ilogo yami izavela
zakho
kanye
za-public ziba ngaphi etivini uvela kangaphi ngonyaka ekwazi ungaveli at all mna why funeke ndikunikile
Yeah.
and iboxes zingagrand xa zinofumana izibons but kulekisha i-agents ayikho
Agents.
i-boxing agents
Yeah. That's true though.
icacise ngoba xa sithi boxing agents abantu bazoyiva kahle media
media agents
that will deal with EPR
yes
Ye-
into
ye-
ezinjalo.
play-
Sorry,
ye-
sorry,
ye-
sorry,
boxer,
sorry.
APR.
Kambe ngabonakali kawuthukani
abantu abazawudila nge-PR when it
Yebo.
comes to i-boxer
Yeah.
because I feel like now through my experience working in media I've seen athletes as Nancy that did not understand image about what is it in the image.
Image.
You know,
Yeah.
you look at kweli xesha siphila kulo now, there's social media.
Yeah, of course.
Yabona if you're a boxer and you're there, you're available to social media, you're active, but you have a certain image that you portray. There's certain brands that will want to work with you. If it's portrayed in a certain way, you've got a following, you're active, you interact with following yakho.
Yeah.
Then from that situation they'll be able to say ba hey as PK xa sijonga ba okay no for instance you get brands as in Nutri like Biogen,
Yeah.
Herbalife, no not that we are promoting them but we're just saying but there are brands that are out there who will be able to say yazi into uPK ihlobo so une videos zakhe zasejimini
Yeah.
indlela image yakhe ayibamba ngayo.
Yeah.
We can partner up with this guy ngohlobo as much as uzaba ne fight A1 but his presence on social media is there. So I think nazo
PR.
boxers they need to
PR.
start looking at it but
Yeah.
do I really need to have a PR to look after interests outside the boxing? It should not only be you're only making money when you're inside the ring or you're about to fight, but you find some ways so generate another income outside. There's brands that are out there that are look, especially today's.
Ish. You know, I have the question upper maybe now you'll come. Ngubani ngokwesingathi is the face of boxing ngoba apha BCM bayeka abantu abaseGauteng but apha BCM like
When
ngubani ngokwesingathi this is the face of boxing apha BCM
based
in the mecca of boxing
based on what? Is it based on his abilities inside the ring?
based on everything and
Okay.
yes because lento siyithetha ngoba i-boxers zethu they have no presence with public they can't sell themselves you know they don't have a PR to sell i-boxers zethu kubani ngokwesingathi is the face of boxing kwi-mecca
Go Slade.
awufunithetha
No. Lento niyithethayo apha.
yeah
Lento besigqibo ithetha ba besikhesa lapha noSeko Deyise nomnye umfana yabo.
yeah
Sisithi
boy
yeah.
okay
So ibalekile into yofunda even ukuthetha ispeech uvela bonakala kwemedia so that is khona indawo ezawufuna usebenza nawe
Yeah.
yabo so makuzanywe ibalekile le nithetha kakhulu ibaleke kakhulu so mna ndicinga ba kule question yakho ke ndiyazi lingathi ndiyazi andicinga yena uSeko manje mhlawumbe
Siseko Deyise, Phanda.
uphanda unayo potential lento ibuza
exactly
Mina bengicela siphose phezulu wekuthi
yeah
as a challenge.
who is the face
Ne? No,
of mecca
ibe a challenge kuthi thina
Okay.
as the Nayful podcast
okay
to say we are going out there sikhangele boxer that will simfundise how to deal with media, simfundise how to sort out social media yakhe.
it's not as okay
No, ngicela undive.
okay
Yabo?
yeah
Umuntu esizokuthi siyamzama not the boy but the PR side of it.
okay
You understand? Simzame azoba ne presence available. Yeah, I understand. So that nezinto zithethayo BK ba asina mntu uyiface of boxing. Umuntu ozaba pha ngaphandle simbona. And ke lanto it also goes to I character yakhe lo muntu lo because awuzukwazi ba ngumuntu out there in social media ube ngumuntu othuleyo.
Yeah.
You know, you need to not vocal per se, but you need to be umuntu ba now uyayifuna le uyayithanda le yenziwa ngohlobo. So nathi make sisikhangelele ni box then sithi come next year.
Yeah.
This is what we're going to do for this boxer.
Let's hear from them.
Yeah, understand.
I think when we look for the face, send continuation with the face.
Okay.
What I think it must be a criteria just so that we can move on because ben 20 something.
Okay.
Oh, okay, sure.
So what I'm trying to say is, let's look at charisma.
Yes.
Let's look at
True.
excite. We are excited.
Prospect.
Match.
Yeah.
Engabe your face nje. Ugqibeleni no loser.
Yeah.
Ne streak anaso mhlambi ba une winning streak.
Yeah.
And like he
Character yakhe.
yeah, into ezinjalo. I think what and the problem is that most of his boxers akufuneka show correct. Yabo it's like football ukuthi makungashow both uma kwedini. Ezinjalo ngoku ezikhoyo.
That's true.
Uthi uwinile usazama ukuthi kufumaniseke bakuthi hi man relax ezinto ezinjalo. Of which ke ngoku who do we then say face kwinto situation
ezinjalo.
Umhlambi maybe singathi iface ye promotion ethile.
Okay.
Sithi mhlambi kwi-promotion ethile nansi
face.
mhlambi promote ethile nansi face and then ke ngoku sibadibanise head to head ba xa benodibana when it comes to being the face.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also it goes with the branding as well ba branding yakhe ithini ugqibeleni ushow up in a public space.
Yeah.
Uyakwazi uzenza i-talks mhlamba yovela somewhere lanto unontshinge beyoyenza phaa icumakala things like those.
Exactly.
Izinto ezi-edayo ezo to image yomuntu unayo nayo episode ye-podcast.
Yeah. So whoever is watching, comment section, please comment. Who do you recommend? You know that we can partner up now, just to do some PR for board because the podcast the year to Yala Peace London. I see nowhere. I see in da whoa.
Exactly.
Size globra hey ubusy lo bra but ingxakazithethi izinto fanele
Serious?
ndibona ku social media fanele uphethe mics efondini ngapha kuthiwa itrack yesament hey for rapid yazi ukuthi into komlo multi talented you know is a jack of all trades.
Yeah, man.
He's a jack of all trades. Just we want to touch on it, you know.
Yeah.
Abantu bangathi we only focusing on certain sports. You were busy with Protein Cup. Just summarize it, babekwenzeka ntoni, what happened, the end results, you know.
Yeah. Thanks, Tumza, man. We're busy in Protein, I think about 8 weeks.
Yo.
Yeah.
Ingenile.
From September to
Ingenile.
From September, Ipoda region, in another competition that they have, Protein, 10 teams, Zerapi, Ziyazidlale, then Kubekona, an ultimate winner. This year, it was Iwusu All Blacks, they were Bakwazi Lupumelela and Baza champions, Zayo, Castle Laga Protein Cup 2025. Okay. It's a good competition, well run, administration, hayo, This is something that we call by yo lewendi baweli ngasiyo iyo yenziwa kwisoccer. It's well organized into yabo. Akho team ekuthiwa i-team ayizanga i-players ziyashota yonke into it's well organized. I-teams zifumene ikiti zazo and the players as well were scouted ezinye zijongiwe. So there's a much improvement. Irap it's so organized. Irap than ezinye sport, you know. So we Protein it's all about development. Yalapha kwi-board. And we've saw a lot of talent, and I can tell you 2 to 3 years uzazibona zantwana into big teams zalapha eMzantsi Africa, and even nakumabhokobhoko mhlawumbe kwi-development yamabhokobhoko under 18 under 20
Okay,
you know
okay,
so it was a beautiful tournament talk about 8 weeks I'm not sure but ibithathe ixesha elide noko so iwusu All Black they were playing against Young Leopards yase Ducats apha ku N6 and they won bebedlala ePolice Park so it was a pleasure for me to be part of that tournament for the second time in a row.
Aye. So is this guy taking us for isapane? Alright, kangeni usathumele invoice.
Kangeni.
Usathumele invoice lo brother.
Hayi iqolo kaloku. Wabuza lo nto iqolo yo.
Now speaking about
What the noni?
Yo.
Manje nokuwina iwuswa kwinangabi.
it's all to this one.
Awaqhubekeke kuwe kaloku ndiyacompensate nani ka yo.
Invoice ayikangeni futhi like abhatala invoice kathi.
Bhatala ngeveki nje wayisitsho.
Hello, brother. Now speaking about amabhokobhoko saying the
Sure.
tournament, we might see them as might see them mhlambi kwi academy teams amabhokobhoko.
Yeah.
You know, they've been doing well amabhokobhoko.
Yeah, of course, man.
2 games. This Geba be short.
Yeah. So the toy it's amazing. Against Japan, against France, against Italy now, looking for Scotland, Ireland, this coming weekend. So what can you say?
Ireland or Wales?
It's Ireland.
Ireland,
And the
okay.
last one it will be Wales. So what can you say, bruh? It's Springbok. They are the brand of South Africa. But my face as a South Africa, Springboks. You know, it's very rare to bus disappoint. But no babeti was it counted as libale, man, because you when you akufana xa kubethwe ezinye sport codes, you know. But they are doing very well, bro. Even though bengena kukhalazwa about the color. It's only siyamthanda Kolisi esimbonayo, but the question was, who do you want to be there at the moment? Because if you're talking about Ubongi Mbonambi, ebene injured ubiziwe ngoku. If you're talking about Oxenche is injured, if you're talking about Lucanio Arm is injured, talking about Magazole Mapimbi is currently banned, suspended. So who do you want to okokuba umuntu omnyama uthi
Suspended nqendo.
Reckless tackle.
Yeah. Yeah. Then xa usithi abafakwa abantu abamnyama banofuna afakwe
But
ombonayo ba akafakwanga.
Khona umuntu othathe ipicture yeSpringbok kukusiya yedwa.
Yeah.
Thatha ipicture yabafana.
Yes.
Wathi khona umlungu oyi-1.
But asikhalazi.
But kweli xesha siphila kulo ngoku we can't be having those conversations man zekota system and what you must play there on merit.
That's why kaloku
You must play there on merit.
Nesi sense benguye yedwa
No,
omnyama.
okay, like you look at in football, you look at how many players ezingabilungu that are playing professional football.
Yeah.
How many? PSL.
Kaloku that's what they are trying to say kaloku.
Abafundi. You all
well,
like yeah, so let's not have that conversation about why
Nabantu
ababekhona.
abamnyama kaloku isikakhulu bagcwele sokeni.
Yeah. So masingabe sizincokole zezinto bayandika mana nabantu abathetha ngezo zinto. Like they really annoying, bro. Kuba hey ubani mebuya ngena hayi suka that's annoying man. Hayi. Speaking about bra, hey bra. Ngena bona ku social media trend bra.
Which one?
T-Rex.
Hey.
Tibodi tie trend ku social media fundini.
T-Rex Mapimbi.
Hey bra.
Hey,
Hey,
yeah.
kuphuma screenshots efondini. Umyusisi. Aba ubra uyazithethelela and hey fondini. Kola sesiyothuka ba hey kanti Grootman throw and no throw don't. And ingxaki ngabakhaya ngabalapha bobabini abantu. Kola bemonti fondini. Han man. So funa thithi
ndikhumbula ukuthi webana iye yayeka ayikhange idlale enye match because unkosikazi wayebezala
fondini lamla prize screenshot iziphumile ku social media fondini.
lithini icebo bras
Icebo lelokuba I think sebenzisile line man ngoku. Sebenzisile line. You know what? Lamnana ukhuphe zonke conversations zabo. Even
uthini
No e-wallet fondini.
even the voice notes and ngoku it's easy okokuba ungathenga umuntu ku social media on influence to take la uyayise kwi-social
like
media.
ithini gist yazo zonke zawe
ancokola bakwi-relationship
Bakwi-relationship,
khaya no-sisters
basically.
bengayazi ba ubra utrowile
Utrowile. So makhwaphini sister.
makhwaphini
imbavi yamncane ethi ndikuthanda baby
fondina konke ngayithethi ijani pa
Yebo.
konke ngayithethi
So,
ijani
hey awubethe english ndivele loo nto kama hey
hayi manje
So sithini ke gents? Sithini kwezo ezinje?
sizayithetha kunantsika leyo
Oh, sure. Asiye Dums.
moving on bafana
Yeah.
you know bafana AFCON preps they played the
Zambia.
Zambia
Chipolopolo.
over the weekend Tebza fike ku 50 games
Yeah.
Mbule's effect
Oh. Chef.
and lastly siya ku AFCON go
Yeah.
usheke iveki izimbalwa nje before Hugo Broos announces
Yeah.
squad sakhe
Yeah, man.
just your thoughts on bafana you know
My thoughts on Bafana. I think, Hugo Broos, bruh. Usibuyisile isidima sabafana ne.
yeah
And it's so nice to see the players getting those milestone 50 caps because I think under Hugo Broos, Ronan Williams and Mbonleyo, Themba Zwane, now Tebza Mokoena, who else? But players they are consistent ngoku kwibafana because bekusenziwa lana ba uzobona uZwane ngenye imini ubona uTebza ngenye imini ubona omnye so consistent even though we can criticize yena say hey kodwa hayi ngoku awusa choose based on form you choose based on uthando lwakho okanye ne faith yakho kumdlalo othile you know so for me uHugo Broos has usibuyisile isidima sabafana even though I'm not entirely happy nge friendly matches zethu because why we are always choosing as no disrespect to Zambia you know but if you check Ivory Coast they will play against Brazil they will play against of course bona players abo zidlala Europe most yazo but can we check amanye amazwe man.
But it's expensive to bring those players, knowing what's happening
Masiye
with
kubo
the
kaloku.
association. But
Why can't we go with them?
No, kaloku la way hamba njani wena it goes in terms of who wants the friendly. The one that approaches needs to pay.
Yeah.
You look at what happened with the Angola when they played Argentina. I think they paid plus minus 12 million euros to bring Argentina and Angola. So do you think when our association has 12 million euros?
But we used to do that.
Yeah, back then. Now I don't think there's enough funds to bring in those big teams. But all,
bonus both
Yosidlale kangaphi neLesotho for nini for the
since
last 3
sibonile-
years.
the reason why is the co-funds
Yeah.
bonke abantu babhonaswe ngemalini inatsika abantwana amajita fumana imali lenganani banyana
yeah, but so
No. Finances babi.
uyocavula yabona inoba le mali sibanike yona phaa eNamibia xa ifika phaa ifika kube ngu-30 times ngu-30 so that's why samane sincothula kwezo singayibambi iNigeria because nayo imali yethu iNigeria ifika ithemzeke
Yes. But ke ngokulando it affects us kwi-rankings if you are checking. See, as new with that much kwi-rankings because teams esidlala nazo.
or low quality
Yes. Yeah. Asikwazi ukudlala neSpain, asikwazi ukudlala neScotland. Sikwazi ukudlala neGeorgia because of ke mhlambe izinto ze-finances. And you will check on rankings ujonga iScotland afika sipha kwi-top 20, you know. Asikho that powerful but teams abadlala nazo mhlambe bayabethwa.
okay
Exactly.
no don't worry
but I think with this friendly Zambia, the way I looked at it, Zambia is going to play with AFCON.
Yeah.
We're playing AFCON. For me, I wouldn't understand the purpose of playing, let's say, Spain, knowing fully about you going to AFCON. You're not going to face a team that's playing similar to Spain with AFCON.
World Cup
No, we're talking about AFCON. World Cup is next year.
But
Then those ones, we can focus on them next year when the draw is done. We look at a group, okay, in your group, you have Brazil, you have Italy, you have Japan. I'm just making an example.
how far
Then
do you think Bafana will go AFCON
they're winning it.
all the way
Yeah.
for me,
all the way because
They're winning it.
I will see
Colombia must under 17 yiyo le ibambe World Cup.
I will say on there.
Say on.
Oh kusheke how many no.
Bakuyila 16 now.
Oh you say entsha boss.
Understand bakuyila 16.
For me, I think they will go to bazoya with last 4
Not Colombia
again.
Morocco.
Yeah, Morocco on the under 20.
Under 20.
Oh under 20
Yeah.
17.
Aye.
Don't go lidlala.
Yeah, under 17
17.
idlala.
Oh,
The Qatar.
Step high Morocco.
No, it's in
No, they're
Qatar.
out. Upon Morocco.
So
Mina ndicinga Morocco yona sokolisi.
nah. They are a good side. With Ashraf Hakimi out injured. Because for me I feel like he's one of the best players ever to come out of Africa. You know? He's out, he's injured, he broke his leg. Japan, I think. Yeah.
Oh,
He broke his leg against he won't be ready for AFCON.
AFCON, sure.
Yeah, but they
they are
do
playing
have
home.
Yeah, they're playing at home. They do have a good team. They're playing at home. They do have a good team. But I'm looking at consistency and a continuation from a squad from the previous AFCON where we got a bronze. The core, your team is still there.
I know it's still there.
The core is still there. So now it's a matter of continuation. Yeah, well, I just hope the off fields in the Baze bonus season I hope they sorted it out now, because I know Hugo Bruce has his squad, because they were doing his suit fittings last week. You know, he has his squad. Chances are they need to sort out izinto zabo ze-bonuses baye kule tournament fully prepared mentally, bayazi uba bayodlala ibhola. They're not stressing about the bonuses and all the stuff ezingabadingiyo. You know, they're just mainly focusing on football on that that particular time. Zizinto mna that I feel they always a distraction when it comes to a tournament up in South Africa.
A quick one nje ndiyeke mna ngomsongo 12 ngo10 in fact kudraw Nedbank.
Yeah, of course.
Phakla draw man, like why isenzwa le way nje la draw?
Ufuna yizwe njani?
Like why ungathatha number 1 lo bewinile ayodlala no 16 njenge MTN 8.
Nah, it can't be. It can't be.
So ungathiwa kuthiwe ibe Chiefs nePirates.
It's fine.
It's fine. That the competition.
They'll be happy. That's what the
They
sponsors
will
want.
not be happy
Who?
if Chiefs nePirates zidlala ku last 16. That means the whole thing is dead.
So
It's not relevant anymore.
Haibo, there's no such.
Now, if Chiefs ikhuchiwe, yakhuchu Pirates, yakhuchu Sundowns, uzayibukela wena ezinye matches.
Yeah, I'll watch.
Kuba nguwe kaloku but sensitsho komnye umuntu akanawo umdla wothi
Ithi wena sukuthi omnye umuntu ithi wena. You.
happy ke akananyani sendibona.
Yeah, madoda.
But of course, bruh, teams, big 3, particularly Chiefs, Pirates, and Sundowns. If as a teams phumile, of course, sponsor naso.
They're not happy.
Siyakhala.
They're not
You know,
happy. But girls out here.
yabantu
Exactly.
excitement yonke into iyehla.
But
Look at how Kaizer Chiefs win Nedbank last season, and his sponsors, they were so happy because that impact is ingene marketing yabo as well.
Yagcwala within an hour. Stadium.
Moses Mabhida.
Stadium gcwala within an hour.
Yeah.
Now xa kunodlala xa kunodlala uNansika plus no Manqoba kuthiwe sikudlala final Nedbank. Do you think when ngang sold out?
No, it won't be.
uNansika lo
Chief 2018? 2018, 2019, Maritzburg versus Free Sisters at Cape Town Stadium. It was fully packed. Final Nedbank.
But
It was
still,
fully packed.
Okay, the thing with him ne
Yeah.
awukwazi, that's what I think when they notice leyo akafuna understand aba
No, I
lento
do.
yenzekayo lento yaziyo nale ndithethayo can coexist. If yakhe yenzeka xa kwenzeka isidala
No.
lela yam le wrong.
No, you're not wrong. I fully understand what you're talking about. In terms of the sponsor, when the big 3 are out, when the sponsor Siakal, which is true.
Yeah.
It's not a lie.
Yeah.
But now what I'm saying is that's the nice thing about football and also in Nedbank, because it pits David against Goliath.
Yeah, of course.
And there was a season where it tags all the way brrr, pa, Richards
Baroka.
Bay, brrr, pa, Baroka, brrr, pa. You understand? When Baroka played the final in the parades, it was packed. Yeah, I
course they are
understand
playing
because they're
against
playing against Pirates, but Lando Lena, it's a challenge to fans. It's a challenge.
Ngaske ukudibana mani kufinal ku.
No, no, but my point is, it's a challenge to fans. I'll make an example.
Sure.
You look at a team like Sundowns. For the past, I don't know how many years, they've been winning a trophy each and every season. Ne? But, and also playing good football, good attractive football. But the bums on seats at Loftus or at Atteridgeville, they're not there. Yeah, understand? They're winning. So culture supporters in South Africa, that's not there. Masinga Islando City, the big three. It's the culture. Yeah, football. Yeah, like South Africa. If fans is it, they don't support the football that much.
Ngifuna ukuphikisa uzawubila.
Aswazembile. Uyeza wena is that we need to start supporting our teams.
Sure.
We need to start supporting our teams.
That's why ngifuna kaloku angarelegate nje mna uGotman.
Hayi man, uthethe ezinye izinto.
Exactly.
Yeah, I understand.
Bangathi relegate.
Yabo.
Sisafumana phi moments?
Zikhona moments. Akho team yandawo bro.
Ayisandani.
Zisabokhona.
Brawam, khawube honest. Khayeke izinto zakho.
Kanti uba
Like
tactical.
now, do you think when if cheaper ino relegate would we get one game PSL ups?
Are you asking me based because I'm wearing a cheaper jersey?
No.
No. I'm just asking you as umuntu oyazi football. Do you think Eastern Cape would get even one game? Because games zininzi kangaka sizokudlala mhlawumbe 26 2027.
I don't think so, bro. I don't think so.
It depends a lot,
Yeah.
bro. Ne? You find I'll mention a team like Kaizer Chiefs. They always take their games outside Joburg.
But they can
Based
never
on-
take the stadium, bro.
Now on the evil, Brandlin and Crep. But based on what the municipality is forking out.
Exactly.
Yeah, I understand. So it will depend.
Uyamthemba okay brakabe
But
honest
still, Dumza, man.
uyamthemba umasipala wethu wena ba angathi bana sicela uzodlala lapho.
That's the thing, bro.
Asibazi bangobani bazabe bephethe. We can't asikwazi
And
ubagqibela.
the reason why sikwazi uyibukela imatch ngoku is because sine club lapha and umuntu wakhona usoloke ethetha.
Yeah.
If ebengekho at all okanye even if besina club ebhathe bengathethi besingazozifumana ezo games.
Exactly.
So it's a challenge. But kuzawulunga ekugqibeleni, bros.
Mna bayirelegatiwe ndaxelela uyawuzuthi ndandichile ndandingayibelieve la kaka uzaw.
Suthukisa, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Lo bro. Mbule has he improved since joining Pirates?
Mbule has improved, bro. In terms of discipline and ukudlala kwakhe. We know ukuba abantu bebesoloko besithi ngumuntu onengxaki ne off field uyingxaki off field, you know. Then land upin him affect how he plays. We know he's a top talent. Umjita natural gifted, bro. Akho nto uyidingayo kula chaplayan, but into oyidingayo kumbule is to be focused, disciplined and uzakudlalela ibhola. So for me ukubabizwa kubafana bafana, I'm so happy for him and he's performing very well. Uzwane, of course it's questionable ukuba uzawuhamba kwi-AFCON next kweziveki zizayo. Of course Hugo uyafuna uba makahamba Uzwane and I'm partnerishe mhlawumbe noMbule in some games, but I'm happy for Mbule. Pirates, that was a big move for yena and also to asiqokelele. That's what you need as a athlete. You just need to sit down and talk to yourself before abantu bathethe ba wenza njani u10-10, because iminyaka yahamba and Pirates ayimnikanga 5-year contract.
Bethe ngomnqongo.
Yeah, so if Pirates bimnike 5 years mhlawumbe ezaw relax, but ngokuyayazi ukuba the age is not on my side and if I mess up ngoku kwi Pirates then it means I'm going down. Ndisuka kwi Sundowns now kwi Pirates. It's not happening every time lo nto leyo. So I'm happy from Mbule.
Kusilate ucingani wena? Has he improved?
Umbule uimprovile uyayazi na lo way umbule okokoko every time noba I think ekuqaleni there were issues with apolice umbule getting umbule no police did not khange bafike babe lento bayiyo ngoku kube kuqala
Yeah.
hence as I loses you2 zika bale adeslam
Wadislam,
what?
one.
yeah but the more I think nayo phela iyeka lento yofuna udlala la bhola nje ya wa adapter to le bhola athe uMandla Ncikazi fonini into zokunceda ungagcothwa apha yile and then from then onwards dabona la uMufukenge
Yeah.
Mufukenge ikwazi uzifumana bengazifumani ncam xa idityaniswe noApolice sometimes okanye omnye edlala right omnye edlala left fumaniseka kuba khona into engahlanganiyo man kubo but ngoku apolice ngoku top of his game umbule top of his game so mna ndithi umbule uyayideserve abama extendele noba kunge2 more years
yeah ku-AFCON.
yeah obvious uyayeka afcon umbule even nangoku inantsika yakhe igame yakhe ya Saturday ibinhle kakhulu
Man of the
and
match.
I think uHugo Bros anything that has to do with pissing off thina ba kuthena kungena obani nje ukuthi ngobise ubani
Yeah.
ngithanda kakhulu so I think
Strength zakhe.
ukiposition favorable maqala onke umbuli
That's right.
under iclub ayincanywayo uHugo and also lefans ngoku
What do you mean?
hayi ncanywa nje
Yebo
Sometimes the parades.
Yebo kancanywayo.
yazi nje
Masingayi up. Because
okay
masingayi up madoda.
but inyani leyo
Uba
lantwana le iskore amagoli ayi2 phambi kwakhe uHugo Bros wathi uthi noba ungakora 10 boy andizokubiza
Kubalo that.
unansi mchabalala score 2 goals shall praise phambi kwakhe ebebe pha
So you think Umdu can take indawo kaSiphol?
akazothatha ndawo kaloku mhlawumbe angafumana noba yi20 minutes last 20 minutes like akhona ithi umuntu adadlala into ntoni kube usithi uyamncane umze ufaka omnye
Jensi yeke lento yabantu beKaizer Chiefs ukuba uHugo ayithanda iKaizer Chiefs.
ezintwana zeKaizer Chiefs xa sinodlala phansi yaloleka sifike sizifumane zisharp
P
apha kuthi xa sibuya
badlala kubafana bafana akulolwa ngoku kuthathwa
Late
rating
ngoku.
but sensitsho xa zikhe zadlala uyabona ba experience
Chekisha xa kudlalwa neLesotho ne Cape
apha ke uyawina into endinganomkhalazela ngayo Hugo Bros is because okokoke wina without players achieves so asinomquestionisha ngoku
Yeah.
sizona mazilungise loo nto zilungisa sibe leyo nto zifuna uba yiyo but ke uyawina and siyayivuyela loo nto umdlalo bafana exciting ngoku sayeke ukhupha i-calculate sayeke uba si-mathematicians ngoku xa sibukele so hayi ne ndiyamncanywa yena but andincanywa le bhifanayo
beef.
ebra kubani umntu one-clean sheets ezinintsi apha
For sure, I think Peterson.
Let me check.
Ah,
Let me
number
check.
two,
Let me
Peterson.
check his number 2.
I'm a chain.
China
China.
number 3
Oh, okay.
A South African goalkeeper. Oh, we have a problem with South African goalkeepers because teams.
Most clean
I'm
sheets.
trying to check, but when it comes to South African goalkeepers, Kupiza, Brendan Peterson.
kuthi uyena upeterson
No, ndisho South African goalkeepers.
yes
Think
uzama ukuthi i-goalkeeper abazi-South Africans
Yeah.
that can be called kubafana
yeah,
bafana
yeah, yeah,
sure
yeah. Then I think Darren Nai is there with 5.
Mtala.
zingaphi i-clean sheet zikadarren
I think it's 5. Darren
This is
Johnson.
Darren.
Yeah, Darren Johnson. I think he's there 5, ne? 5 or 4.
leku-8 upeterson
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, bo.
uri zingaphi zikaronwen
As we are Ronan Williams, I'm just checking now.
6.
ukhona kodwa man
But I know Brendan is on top of.
number 2 brendan
No, Brendan is on top
On top.
oh number 1
with 11 games,
Yeah.
7 clean sheets.
yabo
Then second one, it's Sipochaine,
yabo
10 games, 6 clean sheets. Then the third one, it's Ronza, 12 games, 6 clean sheets.
yabona lo
Darren Johnson.
Darren
akabizwa
Cates.
nobizwa akabizwa nangethengele kuthiwe khazobona basitrena njani kulicala
But Lado, it goes to Lado Bendite, basically, consistency.
Yeah.
Consistency.
How much more consistent?
No,
than
in terms of Hugo Bros, his consistency on the players that he calls up to the national team.
For example, umjita Ricardo.
Yeah, understand.
Of course.
Of course.
course, yeah.
Answele. Then now ufike ukuba uBrendan Peterson should be the third goalkeeper kuBafana Bafana. Noba uzumsebenzisa.
Or at least
Please.
ahambe ayoba kula environment nje.
Yeah.
Ubuye sithi yabona if nobamba onke lamagoli anoza kum apha.
Exactly.
Mhlawumbe ngangu number 2.
Yeah.
Depending on number 1.
But then now you look at how many years has Ricardo Gos been part of his setup ka Hugo Bros.
That's the thing.
It's Lennox Kulangokalo kuthiwe Onyeko Mopi. He's not a good player, he doesn't, but Hugo Bros knows why he has him on the team.
Yeah.
So coach Lendoba players his team. He has his trusted soldiers.
Arrogance sometimes.
No, that's not arrogance.
It is,
he has his trusted soldiers. Ayazi uba.
Umvile ba isithi uyavuya ba iSundowns ikhiqiwe ba.
Yeah, because he wants his players.
Right. Arrogance because
No.
He wants his players ready.
At some
For instance,
time.
he was fighting, but in preparations, the AFCON, league supposed to finish earlier so that he has 2 to 3 weeks with the team going to AFCON. But that thing is not happening. I think they have 2 weeks or less than a week in preparations going to AFCON.
Amathemba akhe wathembileyo nje.
Yeah, so akhona wrong. But when you look at some other countries, when it comes to preparations, league zabo ziyavalwa. So that the national team gets the full attention going forward. Yeah, I understand. So even Nati, if we're saying we want to win the AFCON, let's give the guy as Funa so that when he fails, we say no, we gave you everything that you wanted. Ungazothi ngoku xa kufika uba hayibo sityiwe we didn't win uthi hayi kaloku preparations I had 2 weeks of preparations I couldn't get izinto zami yabo. So that's why now he has his own core to avoid Londo labor preparations they're going to be limited. So now he has his trusted soldiers okokoko wafika eSouth Africa he knows ba ndizawusebenzisa ezi players akho need bani bendiyoqalela phansi this thing. Now Upiza is a good goalkeeper. He has done well for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
But the problem is bringing him in now. He hasn't played under Hugo Bros. Now you bring him in to set up Bafana to say he's done well. Now he still needs to understand the way Yaka Hugo Bros. If football is jalo, bro. You don't get called up for the sake of Bogotwa. We are busy.
If you can call players for the first time, why ungambizi uBrendan Peterson? Zikhona players ngoku ezifikayo kuBafana ebeziqala ufumana first call up yazo.
Do you think they're going to AFCON?
Even if they are not going, mbizi uBrendan because at the moment nguye top goalkeeper in terms of clean sheets.
So who's he going to take out? Let him. He's going to take out to Ronza. He's going to take out to Chayini.
No, makabe third goalkeeper naye. Makabe third goalkeeper.
Ne?
Because at some point, Unyiko Mopi was playing ahead of Mutau.
Yeah.
Until Hugo Bros as at least yena. At some point he left out Uzwan until yena as at least. It's not about kudala umuntu endlalela but go kabiza abantu based on form. Not about I soldiers zakho zakudala ebufa nazo. But naku ngokumntana you see what we deserve makabizwe.
I'll make an example BK. Lendo uthetha ngeform ne. uThembazwane is came back from an injury.
Yeah.
Ne? You take him to ne?
Sure.
You take him to. You put him in the setup Bafana. Let's go AFCON. I'm trusting you to play that role. Is he going to give us that?
Of course, I was starting line now.
No, starting line now. He's not going to give you that. Because he's not used to the setup. When the time is right for him to play in the national team, it's not now. You can go to a major tournament with not your tried and tested players. You need your tried and tested players.
Arrogance will put us Glenda school,
which is qualifying for a World Cup in
the conversations now.
Yo, 23-man squad. Since my predictions.
For me, I think that the top 3 goalkeepers are going, and I don't think Okran Kekana they will make a cut because of
PK. So it's all. You are Hugo Bros. You are in a press conference. You are announcing your 23-man squad. Announce your 23-man squad.
23. Yeah. Yo, Branzo. Yo. Of course, Ronan Williams is going. Brendan Peterson is going. Sipho Chain is going. And on the defenders, SBC is going. Okay, Mali akazohamba because the injured. Who else?
That's 4.
Kula back 4.
Counted 4 now. Embalela
Of
now.
course, Muta uyahamba.
5.
Aubrey Mutiba uyahamba.
6.
And banomnye semva kanani. Then manje Swin. Uyahamba uSipho Mbule.
7.
Uyahamba Apolis in
8.
the wing. Uyahamba uSithole.
9.
Of course. Uyahamba Renas.
10.
Yeah. Mukweni uyahamba.
11.
Who else? Urile uyahamba.
12.
Unkothi uyahamba for sure.
13.
Ngubani? Apolis enimbalile uyahamba Apolis. Unamathenja I think uzohamba.
14.
Evidence Mokhope uyahamba.
14.
Yeah, evidence uyahamba. Lyle Foster
15.
uyahamba. Who else? I think Manphela apha man.
Stephen at 23, bro. You're announcing the squad in front of national.
Manphela 15.
PK.
Banomyeni mncingayo. They are out of my mind at the moment.
Lo coach wethu uzazitshisa lo coach wethu. Akagcibile defense yakhe.
Defense beningayigqibi. But I was thinking about the current and the base the core ekhoyo ngoku. Ba?
Ay come on, bro.
I don't think, bro.
Come on.
I don't
Come
think.
serious.
I don't think, bro.
Abame kancinci uphuso.
Oh, Thabo Moiloisana on Stellenbosch. Yeah.
Okay, 16.
Yeah, Thabo. I would like to Cupid ukuba makahambe. Ndiyamfaka ku starting lineup. I mean ku 23.
17.
Yeah. And who else? Umbokazi.
18.
How can I forget Umbokazi?
18.
Umbokazi, yeah, of course. The cover is a swing.
Ndifuna usibhala yabona xa siphumele ndifuna usibhala uzenze ezi videos ezi squad.
Yeah.
Then sizoyazi the loser players
18.
zakhe ezingekho phaya. Uza kwenza into. Icho bro.
Man phela kula 18.
Okay. Nasi sam.
Give me yours.
Kanti sibhala. No ndiyasazi mina sami squad. NguRonza, nguChayine, nguGos. NguMathuludi, nguMudawu. Right
Okay.
backs. UKabini, nguModiba. UKekana, nguSibisi, nguNdamane, nguMbokazi. That's my defense. Tebza, Sithole, Mbatha.
Oh yeah, but
Apolisi Rile, Nkotha, Mbule, Thembazwane, Lyle Foster, Makgopa, Reyners. That's my 23.
busibhalile.
No,
Usinqayile.
that's my 23. That's my 23.
Usinqayile.
No, akuqubule benthe makaspeak esakhe squad. Benjil.
Angitsho.
Nance ikhona. Benthe makaselect esakhe squad. Akaselect esakhe squad. Yeah, ne. Before we close the PK, thanks
Sure,
man for the chat.
Sure.
Also to Ababukil Betu, we're still on that chase. 7,000 subscribers. When we reach 7,000 subscribers, we'll invite people to pull through. You know, our loyal subscribers we'll ask them to pull through to a karaoke night that we are planning to have on the 5th of December.
Sure.
We want to reach as a numbers before the 5th of December. We are less than 260, eh? 270.
okay.
Yeah, we need 270 people to subscribe. Yeah, man. It's been great. From me, Utumza. Mna?
Cheers, man.
Tama Brexton.
Yo.
Um,
I'm not a performing ring.
If you don't love me. Yeah, that's my song. That's right.
Uringo umkhulu ekuseni. Yeah man.
Thank you for watching. It's Doomza. We out.
Nice one.
Goes like Kubani na lona. Kubani na lona. Kubani na lona. Usika butu pateni ibola.